Okay, I'm going to demonstrate how to use this. It's made by Watkins and it's a rose maker, but this one will be, I've done got it cut out. You do the same process as you do when you're making these, the petals, individual petals. You do the same principle. You roll your fondant out and then you cut this out. Okay, I'm gonna set that to the side. Okay, they normally don't put the veins in it, but I like the veins, so we're gonna go for it. We're gonna put the veins in it. You'll also see it softens the petals. It's a little harder to do and sometimes they'll fall off, but that's okay. This is a rose that you can just set and tuck in somewhere without having a stem. It won't have a stem on it. I really haven't got to work with this much. This fondant is so soft. The humidity is so high. But it was my only day to make one for you. Okay, what we're going to try to do is get this all together on here. We'll lay them back where they belong. Okay, you've got 5 petals. Let me move this to the side. You see? Let me see if I can zoom it in more. I really hope you'll be able to see it. Then you'll use your water. You'll put the water down on all of them, down in the center. You want water on all of them. Okay, we're gonna stick the this styrofoam little pyramid. It's real lightweight, and that's what's really good about it. You'll go every other one you will tuck in. We're gonna go to the left, and we're gonna bring it up. We're gonna place it. Yeah. Put your water on. Okay, and then you're gonna skip this one and you'll put this one on. Into this. You bring them, you want them to meet. You see how? Same principle. You see how that goes? And then this one, you will manipulate it And then this one will go kind of all roll into one another. And then you've got this last one. The last one will go there too. You want it on both sides. It'll tuck in there. See how it's going to tuck? Yeah. This one will go like that. Then you can raise it up. I'm sorry. But be right back. Show you. I've got the fondant pretty thick. You just have to play with it. But that's your first bud, I guess you could call it. Real good if I could see. I've just never really messed with this much. It's actually second time for me because I do like to make the individual ones, but that's pretty cool. It's the rose petal using this rosebud. Pretty cute. It was real easy to do too.